Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a login error in the TD app, start by double checking your access card number or username and password. Make sure the caps lock is turned off and that you are entering the correct credentials. Always make sure to double check before entering. And also check your internet connection. Make sure that you're on a stable internet connection so your app operates smoothly. Then avoid using public or unstable network. Rather than that, just turn on your mobile data for a while. Next, if the error continues, reset your password using the forgot password option. Then enter your username or access card. After that, enter the verification code that pops up in your screen or in your email, SMS, or you'll get a phone call. You can also try logging in from another device to confirm whether the issue is account related or app related. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.